Welcome to our channel with a new video. We all know that henna has been used as a natural hair dye for years, but did you know that there are a ton of other ways to dye your hair without the chemicals and damage? Whether you just want to cover up your grays or go crazy with color, here are a few all-natural, temporary options for you. Before you get started, remember that the results from these dyes strongly depends on the base color of your hair, so if you want to see what it looks like on you, make sure to do a patch test first. If your hair is already bleached or lightened and you're feeling adventurous, give this colorful method a try. Take 1/2 cup of a thick conditioner and mix in a few drops of a food coloring of your choice. You can experiment to make the color as bright or pastel as you want. The food coloring is perfectly safe as it is edible and chemical-free, and the conditioner will help transfer the color while nourishing your hair. Apply it as a mask to the areas you wish to color, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it out. This technique will give your hair a unique purplish red tint on darker hair and a more vibrant magenta or pink on lightened hair. Just mix 1/2 cup beetroot juice with 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Beetroots are known for their strong dye and color, and the coconut oil will help gently apply it to your hair. Apply the mixture with a brush and leave on for 45 to 60 minutes before washing out with shampoo and conditioner. Get rid of grays in the most natural way with this amazing smelling energizing dye. Take 1/4 cup brewed espresso and mix it into 1/2 cup conditioner, and then add in 1/2 tablespoon of coffee grounds. Coffee provides the dark dye needed to cover up your grays, while the conditioner helps it penetrate into your hair. Apply it as a mask for at least an hour and then rinse off. If you love the smell of cinnamon and want subtle lightened brown hair, then this recipe is for you. Mix 1/2 cup cinnamon together with 1/2 cup conditioner. The cinnamon will naturally lighten your hair by at least 1 tone and leave it with a brownish red tint. Apply your mixture as a mask and leave it on for 45 to 60 minutes and then rinse out with water. Cinnamon can irritate skin, so make sure to do a patch test first. Do you dream of beautiful highlights but are afraid of bleach damaging your hair? Try this gentle, natural alternative. Start with 1/4 cup of water and pour in 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. The lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent that gets more activated by the sun, and the coconut oil will prevent your hair from drying out. Spray it onto the areas you want to highlight as a leave-in spray before sun exposure for natural beachy highlights. You can use this daily to see results. If your hair is already bleached and you want to make your locks brighter and less brassy, give this tip a try. Add 1/2 cup of chamomile flowers in boiling water and allow it to steep for 1/2 hour. Chamomile is a natural lightener and will get rid of any excess yellowness. Just saturate your hair with the liquid and then wash it out after 20 to 30 minutes. We hope these hair dye techniques help you achieve your dream hair color. If you like this video, then press like button and share your experience in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.